Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Xiaomi Mi 8 against the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So we have the Snapdragon 845 CPU going up against the Exynos 9820, 6GB of RAM versus 8. How will the Mi 8 compare to the Galaxy S10 Plus? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the Xiaomi Mi 8. It has a 1080p AMOLED display, it's on Android 9 Pie, it has the Snapdragon 845 CPU and the Adreno 630 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Then we have the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. It has a Quad HD AMOLED display, it's on the latest version of Android 9 Pie, it has the Exynos 9820 CPU and the Mali G76 GPU and 8GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the Galaxy S10 Plus wins by 6 points. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are running in the background. So at the end of round 2, the Mi 8 wins by 1 point. That is the end of this speed test comparison, and here is a recap of the scores. In round 1, the Galaxy S10 Plus won by 6 points. In round 2, the Mi 8 won, and that was just by only 1 point. As for the price difference, the Galaxy S10 Plus costs more than twice the price of the Mi 8, but it does have a lot to offer, such as a Quad HD AMOLED display, a headphone jack, reverse wireless charging, bigger battery, IP rating, and so on. Having said that, the Mi 8 is still a very good phone for those of you on a budget. It is still worth looking at or paying a bit more and getting the Mi 9. So what were your thoughts about this speed test comparison? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If it's your first time here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. There will also be camera comparisons, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.